Construction and maintenance of water supply scheme in rural area is a difficult and challenging task. Normally, the sources which we tap in hills are spring sources and the small rivers called gaderas or rivulets. For tapping these sources, normally a structure called boulder filled gallery are constructed for tapping a small river or gadera source. Now the difficulties and the challenges are many. To overcome this problem, we have developed certain innovative technologies. So in the case of gadera or a small river, a cross wall of stone masonry is constructed across the gadera against the flow of the river or gadera. Now this wall creates a ponding in the upstream and a minimum discharge or practically no discharge in the downstream side. So the level difference of hydraulic gradient is developed in the upstream side, which is of the rank of 4 to 5 meters. Due to this hydraulic head, in the bottom of that cross wall, the piping action starts developing and the capillary actions take place. As shown in the figure, you can see due to this capillary action, water will start passing from the bottom, which will also flow some sand particles or some clay particle with it, and thus the foundation will become, that portion will become hollow and the foundation will become weak. The cross wall might bulge or might overturn because we have developed a hydraulic head of 5 meters in the upstream. So to overcome this problem, we have developed an innovative device called Uttaranchal Coop. Now this Uttaranchal Coop, as you can see in the picture, is a device made of MS pipe, hollow cylindrical pipe, which has 4 radial pipes perforated at the bottom and it is closed at the top. Now this hollow cylindrical pipe has a outlet socket welded at the center, and this Uttaranchal Coop is painted with anti-corrosive paint, and it is a very light structure. It can be fabricated in the workshop in the city and can be transported through head load to the site of work. So in a gadera, if we dig 3 to 4 to 5 meters on the bank of that gadera or that stream, we will definitely get water, because on the banks, due to river meandering or gadera meandering, there is a thick pile of sand, pebbles and even rock. So once we dig there, we get water. We have to drain that water and then we place this water like you can see in the picture. We can place this Uttaranchal Coop at the bottom of 3 to 4 meter depth. After placing it, either you can place the same dug earth material back, or you can have a filter media, which is a graded filter media with pebbles, sand, charcoal, etc. So this Uttaranchal Coop gets water only from the bottom, from the radial pipes. As you can see in the picture, the water is entering through the perforations in the radial pipe, and it starts filling that hollow cylindrical pipe. As soon as it reaches the middle point of that outlet socket, it will start. We connect that outlet socket with the gravity main to the village or to the tank, as the case may be. It starts by gravity. It starts flowing by gravity in the gravity main pipeline. And in the process, this 4 meter earth or the filter media acts as a complete filter, and water is filtered naturally in this process. So this way we collect the water, and you can see the process. The many reactions are naturally taking place in river. There are 4 reactions, that is, one is filtration, removal of turbidity, removal of any suspended particles, even bacteria. Then there are biodegradation. Any biological matter if it enters, then it is biodegraded because of available oxygen present there. Then there are redox reactions and there are chemical precipitations. So these reactions naturally are taking place in the process. We have given this study to IIT Roorkee, and they have found that even 75 to 80% of fecal coliforms are reduced in this process, which is a great achievement. The filter media not only acts as a natural filter media, but a biological filter media is created at the bottom of the stream, because the velocity at the bottom is 0 and at the top it is maximum. So at the bottom, whatever the particles settle down, there are biological particles also, they decay and they form a layer of biological filter. You can see in the picture a black layer there, which acts as a biological filter. And this biological filter filters out all the bacteria present in water, because bacteria get food here and they don't need to travel down below because they get sufficient food here. So in this process, not only the turbidity is filtered out, but the bacteria is also filtered out, and the water which entering from the bed of that stream are bacteria free, chemical free and turbidity free. And this device or this structure is calamity prone also, because there could be no effect of earthquake, of landslide, of flash flood or any mischief by the residents. Now, as the policy of the government, the Gram Sabha will be maintaining these water supply schemes, and they are not either technically equipped or financially equipped. So this cement structure should be replaced by this innovative device as Uttaranchal Coop, and they are very effective. Thank you.